Hello everyone, this video presentation will focus on Maybank, one of the largest and most well-known bank in Malaysia. So this is our team member, Nisina Marsha, Nik Nur Safia Hanim and Nur Aliandana Sofia. Now let's go to the introduction.
Assalamualaikum and good morning. Today I will be presenting our group assignment for the subject IMC413 Information Storage Retrieval System. Our chosen organization is Maybank Group, one of the largest financial institutions in Malaysia and Southeast Asia. Established in 1916, Maybank provides various banking services including retail banking, corporate banking, Islamic banking and digital banking. As a major financial institution, Maybank handles a very large amount of information every day, such as customer records, transaction data and financial reports. Therefore, effective information storage and retrieval systems are very important to support daily banking operations and customer service. For the next part, I will talk about core business of Maybank. The core business of Maybank is providing comprehensive banking and financial services. This includes managing customer deposits, processing financial transactions, providing loans and financing, and offering payment services. Retail and commercial banking are the main core operations where large volumes of customer and transaction data are generated daily. In addition, Islamic banking through Maybank Islamic Berhad is an important part of Maybank's core business. Islamic banking involves managing Sharia-compliant accounts, financing records, and investment data. These core activities require accurate, secure, and well-organized information storage system to ensure data confidentiality and regulatory compliance. So for the next part, I will talk about main activities and information in the unit. Maybank's main activities include retail banking, Islamic banking, corporate banking, and digital banking services. Each of these activities produces different types of information. For example, retail banking records customer account details, deposits, withdrawals, and loan applications. Corporate banking manages business accounts, trade finance data, and financial reports. The information handled by Maybank mainly consists of customer personal data, account information, transaction records, loans and financing details, and digital banking usage data. This information is essential for operational processes, decision making, and customer service. Most of Maybank information is stored in digital formats. These include electronic databases, system-generated transaction logs, and digital reports. Structured databases are used to store financial and customer data so that information can be accessed quickly and accurately. Information is stored centralized banking systems supported by secure servers and cloud-based storage. Security measures such as encryption, access control, and authentication are applied to protect sensitive customer and financial data. Proper storage ensures data integrity, confidentiality, and availability. Retrieval at Maybank is carried out using integrated information retrieval systems. Authorized bank staff retrieve information using secure login, credentials, and database query systems. This allows fast access to customer records, transaction histories, and financial reports, which supports efficient customer service and accurate reporting.
Okay, for this slide, I will explain how information is disseminated within and between units at Maybank. Basically, information sharing ensures Maybank operations smoothly on a daily basis, especially for daily operations. Within departments, employees rely on digital systems such as EDMS to store, retrieve, and manage documents. This helps reduce physical paperwork, minimize errors, and save time. Maybank also supports flexible working through mobile on the go, which allows remote access to information, even when staff are not physically in the office. Besides that, internet platforms support communication and teamwork, where employees can share ideas, report issues, or suggest improvements. At the same time, security policy protects sensitive information, such as restricted access and clear desk practice to ensure only authorized staff can view confidential data. Next, this slide explains how information is preserved for short and long-term retention. At Maybank, information is categorized into short-term and long-term based on usage and importance. Short-term information support daily operations such as transaction records and customer updates, and is stored digitally for quick access. For example, customer service staff use recent transaction histories to resolve complaints faster and improve customer satisfaction. On the other hand, long-term information is stored securely with backup system, including legal documents and financial statements. This kind of preservation supports compliance and future planning, especially for audits, regulatory reporting, and historical analysis. For this slide, I will talk about how information is utilized in the units. At Maybank, information support decision-making and service improvement at all levels. Frontline staff use data to resolve customer issues efficiently, such as checking transaction details when customer report problems. Loan officers assess creditworthiness using customer information, including transaction history and repayment patterns to reduce financial risk. At the management level, management use data for planning and performance evaluation. For example, by analyzing customer spending behavior to develop better financial products. Moving on, this slide explains what standard and convention are adopted at Maybank. Firstly, privacy policy guide data usage and sharing, ensuring information is used only for legitimate business purpose. Maybank also applies strong security measures to protect information such as encryption, firewall, access control, and continuous monitoring. Employees are trained regularly so that employees understand data protection practice, including proper handling and confidential information. By following these standards, Maybank is able to maintain customer trust and protect its reputation as a responsible financial institution. This slide focuses on who is involved in managing information at Maybank. Frontline employees handle data for daily operations such as customer service and transaction processing, and accuracy at this level is very important. IT teams maintain system and security, ensuring database and system function properly and are protected for cyber threats. Risk and compliance officer ensure policy compliance, while managers use information for decision-making at both operational and strategic levels. Next, this slide explains the facilities available for managing information. Maybank uses database to store customer and transaction data in an organized way. CRM systems support personalized service by allowing staff to access customer information quickly. Internal portal enable collaboration, document sharing, and communication among employees. In addition, security facilities protect information including encryption, firewall, and access control, supporting both daily operation and long-term planning. Lastly, this slide shows the quantification of information flow in a Maybank unit. On average, 150 to 250 customer records are updated monthly, including account and service change. Departments also process more than 50,000 transactions per month as part of daily banking operations. Additionally, 15 to 25 internal reports are generated monthly for management use, and over 2,000 emails or messages are exchanged within units. This shows that information flow at Maybank is very active and plays a crucial role in supporting efficient operations. Thank you to previous presenter for passing this part to me. I am Ms. Rina Marsha binti Abdul Wahab. Will focus on how Maybank manage, organize, and retrieve information effectively. Now, I'm going to talk about the availability of organizational data mining approach. As you know, Maybank widely applies data mining approaches to support decision-making, improve customer service, and increase operational efficiency. As one of the largest banks in Malaysia, Maybank handles a massive amount of data every day, including customer transaction, financial records, and service data. To manage this, Maybank uses analytic platforms such as Dataiku, which allows the data from different departments to be integrated into automated workflows. These workflows help to identify patterns in customer behavior and transaction trends. Through data mining, Maybank is able to develop predictive models, for example, to assess credit risk, detect fraud, and recommend suitable financial products to customers. Additionally, the use of cloud-based system enables faster data processing and provide real-time insights. Overall, this data-driven approach allows Maybank to deliver faster, safer, and more personalized banking service, while also encouraging a strong data culture among employees. Next is construction of thesaurus to facilitate subject access. In a large organization like Maybank, locating specific records or documents quickly can be challenging due to the volume of information across departments. The thesaurus helps solve this problem by standardizing terminology and showing relationship between terms such as synonyms, broader terms, and related terms. For example, terms like loan approval, credit assessment, and financing are closely related. By connecting these terms in a thesaurus, staff can retrieve information more accurately and efficiently. When integrated into document management or information system, a bank-wide thesaurus reduces confusion, minimizes errors, and improves consistency in information retrieval. As a result, employees can access relevant information faster and make better informed decisions. Now, let's move on to the metadata creation. Metadata refers to information that describes other data. For Maybank, metadata plays a critical role in managing large-scale data access effectively. For instance, in transaction records, metadata includes elements such as a transaction date, time, account number, and transaction type. This allows staff to quickly locate specific transactions, monitor unusual activity, analyze customer behavior, and generate reports without exposing sensitive data. Good metadata also supports regulatory compliance as a very transaction is clearly documented and traceable. In addition, it improves collaboration between the department because everyone understands what data is available and how it can be accessed. Therefore, metadata is not a technical tool, but it also a strategic asset to help Maybank work more efficiently and securely. Now, this part, I'm going to explain about the data warehousing facilities. Data warehousing at Maybank refers to centralized system that used to store and manage large volumes of data generated from daily banking operations. These data sources include ATMs transactions, internet banking platforms, branch operation, and internal systems. Maybank has implemented an enterprise data warehouse in collaboration with technology providers such as Teradata. This allows the bank to integrate customer and transaction data into a single repository, giving management a comprehensive view of customer behavior. With access to historical data, Maybank can improve customer relationship management and enhance business intelligence, leading to better and more accurate decision making. Last but not least, this part I'm going to explain about the addressing system to locate actual resources. An addressing system ensures efficient retrieval of specific information within large databases. In Maybank, this system uses identifiers such as customer IDs, transaction IDs, and database keys to locate exact record. By combining address system with metadata and indexing, the bank reduces search time and minimizes errors. This improves operational efficiency and ensures that both staff and systems can be accessed to the correct information quickly and accurately. To be concluded, Maybank is a strong and stable banking institution that has successfully remained competitive in industry. Through effective management, proper organization, and long-term planning, Maybank has built a solid foundation to face economic challenges and improve its performance. Maybank's strong focus on customer service and its ability to adapt the technology changes have enhanced both customer satisfaction and operational efficiency. In addition, its investment in employee development and positive organizational culture ensures a skilled and motivated workforce. Overall, the balance between financial performance, innovation, and social responsibility highlights Maybank's high organizational effectiveness and positions it for continued growth as the leading bank in the region.